So we have 3 more things. The virtual tour, we're going to our room and get like a bird's eye view of the entire Panama City. And then second, we have the museum to see the museum. And then finally, we have like a welcome drink. This is the room for the virtual tour.
And welcome to the 360 virtual tour room. If you feel more comfortable, you may lift your back and the coach still.
Okay, thank you.
And welcome to the 360 virtual tour room. What we're doing here is basically you seem good?
Yep.
Perfect.
Oh, yeah, like a
So
virtual tour.
enjoy the experience and I'll be waiting for you back. Okay?
Okay. So this is how the museum looks. It has like facts about different things. Panama, 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 Panama. But this is how the museum looks. There's facts about different. So we're in the museum now, and it's basically all that we learned about in the virtual tour. So yeah, it's beautiful in here with the pictures and all of that. Very cutesy, very demure.
Oh my God.